Yo, guys, I don't think y'all ready, man. I honestly do not think y'all ready for what's about to happen when it comes time for these Air Jordan 3 Black Cements to drop. This is one of the ones, I'm telling y'all, one of the ones everybody loves. Number one in terms of Jordan 3s. And I'm telling you right now, bro, it's going to be a lot of people popping out the woodworks, doubling up, tripling up, even some people quadrupling up, because that's how much these Black Cement 3s, that's how much weight they hold, you feel me? So we're going to talk about today's video. Sit back, relax, and we got to chop it up about these things right here, man. Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man. It is greatly appreciated, man. If you guys come tap in, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. I definitely think it's a good topic today to talk about and just get you guys' opinion over an upcoming release. I know it might seem a little bit far away now, but we're literally only, 2 weeks away from September. And then after that, we got about a month and a half left. And then we're going to be getting these Black Cement 3s, man. But before we get any further in today's video, if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like. If you don't do nothing else, bro, leave a huge like on today's video. Let's go ahead and get some comments down below, see what you guys are talking about in terms of some of these upcoming releases we are going to be getting from Jordan Brand. And I always say it, bro, I've been saying it for the last couple of videos, I know this year might have been a little, you know, on the wayside in terms of releases from Jordan Brand and from Nike, but I'm telling you, bro, 2025, bro, it's gonna be crazy. And they still have not even announced the Air Jordan 11 releasing next year, and I'm pretty sure, bro, if I had to bank on anything dropping, just, you know, seeing how they empty in the clip in 2025, bro, we might get a double drop, bro. And I'm definitely thinking we're going to be getting the Gamma 11s finally. Hopefully it happens. Gamma 11 dropping. They might even double it up and do a Pantone and Gamma drop, just to see, you know, they dropping everything else. Why not drop a Gamma and a Pantone? Hey, I know it might seem a little far-fetched right now, but we're gonna see when we get closer to the end of the year. They always, you know, announce what we're gonna be getting a little bit closer to the end of the year prior. So we're gonna see, bro. Let's see if your boy DeVintage is right. I'm calling it. I'm saying I'm gonna be getting the Gamma 11s for sure. It's long overdue, bro. Long overdue of us getting the Gamma 11s. So hey, we're gonna sit back and relax and see what's happening with Jordan Brand releases in 2025. I'm already putting the money to the side, bro. We're gonna have some crazy pickups next year just based off what we have been seeing, confirmed. And yeah, it's gonna be good next year. All right, bam, man. There you guys see them, bro. We have them in, bro. The Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, and this is probably one of my first videos on YouTube. I don't know when these dropped. Was it 2017 or 2018? You guys let me know down below in the comment section. But all I know, it is long overdue for us to get these back again, just based off of every time, you know, we've seen Jordan Brand bring back a retro. Is usually within like a 5-6 year span, and it's around that time frame now, or even a little bit over, for us to get these. And they're going to be dropping the Black Cement 3s and a remastered spinoff, so it's going to be more true to how the pair was back in the day when actually, you know, Jordan was rocking these things right here, man. The Black Cement 3s, bro, I am in love with this colorway. It's just so versatile. You can wear it with anything. And something to kind of, you know, talk about. I know you'll probably read my title of the video like, yo, what is he talking about? And I'm telling you, bro, it is not going to be as easy as you think. I know they made a million some pairs like the military blues. They made a million pairs of these guys right here. Hold on, let me grab them. I know they made a million pairs of the Brand Reimagined, but I'm not too sure on the stock numbers of these. But it don't even matter, bro. It does not even matter. I'm telling you right now, people love the Black Cement 3s that much more than the Air Jordan 4 Breads. That's just how I've been seeing it. Me collecting shoes over a course of what's about 10 years. About 10 years now. People rock with the Black Cement 3s over these joints right here, the Breads, man. But you guys let me know which ones you taking. Black Cement 3s or Brand Reimagined. You guys can help me in the comment section. I hope that with the release coming up for the remastered spinoff of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, it doesn't, you know, put a little bit more emphasis on you taking these 3s. But hey, it is what it is. Like I said, I think it's going to be one of those releases where, you know, everybody does want them, and it's going to be enough pairs. It's going to be enough pairs but not enough to, you know, compensate for the people that's gonna be sleeping, for the people that think they're just gonna walk into the malls and just pick up a pair and stuff like that. This is gonna be one of them drops where you like, yo, I should have put a little bit more emphasis on, I should have put a little bit more attention to, because I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna be OGs out there that's getting 2-3 pairs of these, bro. It is a remastered spin-off, bro. They're remastering these things and making it look like it was back in the day, a true form OG3, and I'm telling you, bro, people are gonna be popping out the woodworks. People that ain't bought shoes in forever, and there's some people in the comment section of previous videos like, yo, you know what, I don't want the military blues, I don't want the Air Jordan 4 bread reimagines. They waiting on this one specific sneaker, and that's why I'm telling y'all, bro, be ready, bro. Be ready for this drop when it does come about. Like I said, this is the 20th. I think this dropped in 2018, if I'm not mistaken, or 2017, not too sure. But nonetheless, you know, that the bulky toe box right here. And I'm gonna try to find a better picture of the pair we're gonna be getting in a couple months. The toe box isn't as like high right here, so a little bit more slope. Looked like it was back in the day when Jordan was rocking and stuff like that. So you guys can see a comparison of the two. And if not, if I can't find a picture, a good picture of the pair of the remastered joints, I'm definitely going to be doing a comparison when we do get closer to the release, because y'all know your boy DeVintage touched pretty much everything early, or I do have the access to. So we're going to wrap the content back up, bro. We're going to keep it going. We're going to keep cracking this content out for you guys. But all in all, bro, all in all, another thing with these is the Nike Air on the back, bro. You guys know people love the Nike Air on the back of the Air Jordan 3s. And again, I would honestly stand behind this as this being the best Air Jordan 3 OG colorway of all time. Now, hopefully I got some people in the comment section that can, you know, second that can back me on that statement, because I'm over here looking at some other Air Jordan 3s. Got the Fire Reds. What else? We got True Blues. I don't think there's nothing else that's touching a black cement, bro. I don't think it's happening, bro. You feel me? But these right here, nonetheless, they speak for themselves. You guys be ready for the drop. I'm just gonna give you guys the bureau of these things. Check them out, 360. The tumble leather is crazy. These have held up pretty well. It is slight yellowing around the toe box for this white portion right here, but nonetheless, of course, they're gonna be dirty on the outsole. So I definitely need another pair. And what's crazy is I haven't worn these in a while. I have not worn them in a while. As soon as I got news that they were coming back out, I'm like, yo, I've been wearing these things to the gym. I've been wearing them to the grocery store. I've been wearing these things everywhere. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get a fresh, crispy pair, and that's what's gonna incline people to buy these Air Jordan 3 remastered black cements up. I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna happen. And when don't say your boy DeVintage did not tell you so, man. And before I let you guys go, a couple issues I can kind of see that's gonna happen when we do get this remastered pairs is the elephant print on the toe box on the heel. I definitely think it's going to be inconsistent. The last couple of Air Jordan 3 we have gotten have been super inconsistent. I definitely feel like it's going to happen as well with the remastered black cement. You guys can let me know if you think it's going to happen as well. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a bunch of pairs, but I definitely think the pairs are going to sell out, man. Not a lot of stuff has been selling out this year. When we talk about OGs, talk about the black cement 3, talk about Legend Blue 11s and stuff like that, I definitely think that's going to sell out because people have been waiting for these releases for a very, very long time, man. But I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. It is always greatly appreciated. Like, seriously, man, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys for tapping in. Gonna definitely bring you guys some more content here soon, some more early looks and stuff like that. So y'all sit back, relax. Your boy DeVintage got y'all, man. And make sure you check out OutRank Brand. This is the upcoming drop for the DMV foam posits releasing in a couple of days, or I think it's either this week or next week. But the tee is dope. Show you guys the back real quick. Super dope graphics right here. My back is literally on fire right now. I'm all medicined up, got Tylenol on my body because my back is killing me. I don't know what's been going on. But that's neither here nor there. Check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code DeVintage. Save 10% off your entire order, man. The only way to go, the only spot to shop for your tees, shirts, pants, socks, hats. They got everything for you. Make sure your fit is fresh. Use that link down below and go tell me your boy DeVintage sent you. I appreciate y'all support, man. Sub up, hit that like button, and with all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'll catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.